started making bleaching products.
Yes, I remember that era.
Hi besties, we are so excited to share our journey with you today. My name is Mabel Alabija, founder of Dejimira Natural Skincare. Here with me is
Oyinkansola Odedino, the founder of Odedi Botanic Skincare.
We have been passionate about creating natural skincare products for as long as we could remember. But the desire to create not just effective products, but safe and healthy for the skin.
That's right. We started by making simple natural skincare products that people love. Our clients were giving us amazing reviews as the products were working perfectly and it was not giving any bad side effects.
As our business started growing, something changed. More and more clients start demanding for whitening products. At first we hesitated, but the demand was so high that we have to take a training on how to produce this bleaching product.
After taking trainings and doing several research on these bleaching products, we started making them. We started selling the products until we started getting negative feedback from our clients, from irritation to blemishes of all sorts, and because of our conscience we had to stop.
It was a wake-up call for us when we realized that we are deviating from our vision.
We made a decision to stop selling skin bleaching products and go back to our roots. What we believe in is natural skincare formulation. We went for different trainings. We did a lot of research to know the exact thing that can give people a radiant and glowy, healthy skin.
We started educating our clients about the dangers of using this whitening product. Slowly but surely, they began to see value of using natural products to nurture their skin instead of harming it.
Please, do you think the U-turn was worth it?
Of course it was. Because we are able to make money than we used to. We are able to create natural products, having conscience, having our clients in mind, producing natural products for them.
Guess what? Our clients started coming back because they realized that healthy glowing skin is better than skin bleaching, and our business grew stronger because people now appreciate our honesty and our commitment to making natural skincare products. If you are still stuck in making harmful bleaching products, this is the time for you to have a rethink and come join us at Dejimira Academy, where we are going to teach you everything you need to know, both the science, the arts, and everything that has to do with natural formulation.
It is not just about learning, but you'll be able to build a business that will stand the test of time, a business that will make you feel good both morally and financially.
We'll teach you everything you need to learn about creating unique formulas, safe and effective formulation. That's what we are all about at the Dejimira Cosmetics Academy.
And our courses include chemistry, cosmetic science, and cosmetic formulation.
Thank you for your time and thank you for listening to our story.
I can't wait to see you in class.
Bye.
Bye.